Hi, welcome to another episode of Money Horn. Today, I'd like to show you three apps by which you can earn PayPal money fast. Yeah, this is true. You can earn more than $600 PayPal money every month. This is really cool way to start making money online. But before that, this is Dash from Money Horn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method. I'm going to show you three apps today that really going to get you decent amount of PayPal money every day. So let's move on to the first app that I'm going to show you right now is dollarclicks.com. Dollarclicks.com is a really great site to earn really good amount of rewards every day, and this is a survey related site, so you have to fill some surveys daily to get money from it, and their survey rate is really awesome, and they are listed on Trustpilot, and they are getting really good ratings on Trustpilot, and they have a vast collection of offers, and they have partnered with lots of high demand and popular offer partners like AdsGate, AdWall, Peanut Labs, OfferToro, BitLabs. You can see they have lots of Polefish. They are all top tier ad gems. They are all top tier offer provider or companies that do that surveys you will definitely would love to attempt. So they are really awesome. They are the #1 paid survey community, and they have a apps also, so you can work it on your mobile phone as well. So all you have to do is go there and sign up for them and start earning money every day. And you can see that they have more than 3,000 active members. They are showing it daily basis, and you can see that they have already more than $2 million. This is really awesome, and they have already claimed that amount, and they have already sent 500,000 gift cards already they have sent, and they have 25 plus offer worlds that are really awesome. So for the greater transparency, they also in the right bottom have proof of payments to show that they are really paying well, and you can see peoples all around the world, and thousands of peoples are getting paid day by day on PayPal, Visa, Tango, and many gift cards and PayPals. You just want any way your money, you will get that money from that way. So you can see all the things are updated regularly, and you can see people are earning very good amount of money, and this is really awesome. It's not like they are not going to pay. They are professional. They are old here, and they are working really well. They are working since 2015. So this is a good solid site that you can start making money from. So all you have to do is go there, and registration process is very simple. All you have to do is just fill your first name, last name, username, password, email address, and that's it. You complete the captcha, check mark the terms and conditions, and hit the sign up buttons. When you sign up, they are going to give you 10 points bonus. This is really good to go, and you definitely will love to work with this. And you have to log in daily just to complete some surveys, and that's not going to take much time to you, and they are going to pay you a lot more than other service sites out there. So this is dollarclicks.com. This is a great site to start earning money right now. So the second app that I'm going to show you is honeygain.com. You may already heard it, but this is also a solid site that definitely going to pay because they have passive income option. Passive income is their effortless income way, and with Honeygain you can make money by simply sharing your internet, and you can start earning money right now. And they have apps for mobile phones, and they have Windows options. You can run their apps on PC, on your laptop, on your tablet, on your mobile phone, anywhere you like, and you will start making money. And they are also have a great rating on Trustpilot, and they are really easy way to earn passive income from them. And definitely by using their software or installing their software to your PC, all they are going to do is use your internet bandwidth, so people can use that to work with. And definitely you will sharing your internet and you are using your PC, but don't scared, cause they have confirmed that this they are not going to get any of your personal information or not, and any type of security issue. They will definitely say that they're not going to get any of your personal information and security. And then you you will know how they are working and how much internet they are using. All are transparent there, and then you can scroll down and you can estimate your earning. This is not that much earning, but at the end this is a passive income. So all you have to do is install it into your devices and let it run all the time, and that's it. You will get money for that. If you the more device you run, you can like it, 3 devices. If you run it on, you can run it on 10 devices as well. And you can see that if your daily content delivery is 24 hour, then you can definitely earn $60 or more per month. This is good for just a passive income. And you can see that this is not a very big amount, but at the end you do not have to do, you just start your device and run it, and you do your own work, sleep, and you will get money for that. But what is recommended here, the more devices is you use, you do not use same device. You have to use different internet on every device, so that the earning potential will go much bigger. This is the way to earn much more from these sites, and people are making money from Honeygain. And there are lots of people and payment proof showing you that they are making money there. This is a 5-step process. You just install it on your PC or phone, download their apps and install it on your PC, and then run the Honeygain app and let the app run 24 hours, so that honeys are going to get that money for you, and they use their internet. And then people around the world, businesses around the world are going to use that bandwidth from Honeygain, and they're going to give payment for that. And then Honeygain will share from that payment some portion of that payment as a revenue to you as a user, as a bandwidth provider. And this is the way it works, and it's really sweet money for you to work with. And then move on to the last and third apps by which you can definitely earn money without doing any hard work. And the third app is SlideJoy. This is a lock screen cash rewards app which is available on Google Play Store, and this is awesome. This is an awesome app, but it just shows ads on your lock screen, as it says lock screen cash rewards. You can see their logos. This is the logo, so that you can verify that this you are downloading or using the right app, and all they work like they are going to show you some ads on your phone lock screen. Whenever you just open your phone, start your phone, you will see ads on your lock screen, and when you scroll up, those apps going to update and show some latest ads as well. But if you do not want and go to your phone screen, then you just swipe it right, and it will go to your home screen. That's it. These apps not going to get any security issue to your device. These apps is completely secure, and it's not going to get any of your personal information. This is a confirmation, and these apps is not that new. They are working great for years and right now, and they have lots of users having good money from them, and this is really a good earning opportunity, a good passive earning opportunity, that you just don't have to do any work with this. All this is just log in daily, as use your phone daily, and time to time in your lock screen it will show some ads and you will get money from that. So this is it, guys. If you want to make more money, then you have to apply all these three apps together, so that you can earn a very decent amount of money per month, and you have to be active on it so that money will follow you. So till then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.